oponopono for our relationships. Firstly, always clean on the feelings that are coming up within you because of this relationship. Whatever feelings you are having within you, just label it, just identify it. Is it sadness? Is it anger? Is it frustration? Is it loneliness? Is it helplessness? Identify it and then start with your cleaning. This really allows you to connect with the deeper need inside your subconscious mind. That's one way to improve your connection, when you really identify and understand what is it that is happening within you in terms of these feelings. The second thing is, we don't need to talk to the other person. It's not that you have to direct the cleaning there. Direct the cleaning to your own subconscious mind. Because if your relationship with your subconscious mind improves, that relationship will automatically improve. So always and always direct the cleaning to your own subconscious mind, even though you may be wanting a relationship healing. The most important thing you have to understand is this relationship of you and your subconscious mind is the key to every other relationship success in your life. Point number 3, wait for inspiration. Don't be too quick to act. A lot of people will be using oponopono, but then they're wondering, now what do I do? Should I make that phone call? Should I wait for an answer? Should I go check what's happening there? Should I take some step? You don't need to really assume these things. You don't really need to be in a hurry to act, because that goes against the process of oponopono. As you are doing your cleaning, wait for inspiration. Inspiration will come when you are beginning to cleanse your energy, and you will start to receive answers, whether you need to make that phone call, whether you need to wait for a phone call. You see, these things are what you're going to be guided with. So don't try to rush into things. Don't try to be in a hurry to take some steps. As you are cleaning, wait for inspiration. Inspiration will come, but you must be ready to receive it. So try not to encourage thoughts of doubt. Instead, if you're getting these thoughts of anxiety, feelings of worry or anxiousness or even fear, just start to clean in that moment. Just clean on those feelings. The best way that really you can pacify your feelings and start to feel better and even start to use oponopono for relationships is to simply remind your inner child to let go. One of the best ways you can do that is simply telling your inner child, please let go. Let go of this helplessness. Let go of this anger. Let go of this frustration. Let go of this sadness. And see how your inner child will respond to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos on oponopono, for more tips and tools, subscribe to this channel and like and share this video with others. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja, wishing you all the very best. Namaste.